Yo mensen, we just came back from the shop. We went to buy Cape Town's Kingsley. It's called Chavai. Chavai. Oh Jave. Oh Chavai. And we are officially at the beach. Yeah, we are by the big landings warrior. Yeah, it's by the big landings. Big landings only. I walking on the beach. So yeah, if you see there, can you see that White House there? That is the house that I did buy. We're gonna go do a MTV Clubs review now, don't stress. But for now, we are on the beach, bro. We are on the beach, that's it.
The beach? I'm at the beach.
I must take my shoes off. I want to get my toes in the sand. Hey, I forgot that's my room. I can't walk now on the sand. Hey. So you can still walk on the sand, bro? Yeah. Ow. You wanna go on the rocks, you can't even walk on an uneven pavement properly. But yeah, we are by the beach, guys. I don't know what questions I can go and ask these people, eh? Yeah, I'm scared they're gonna murder me. Huh?
Why coming here? Why don't I sit here?
You haven't even came here in how long?
Where's that?
Can you walk straight?
Green camera here at the beach.
So yeah guys, I gonna cap you all on and let you know Wagwan later. Bless you and all your germs, sis. So mensen, it's your boy Balderstein. We are by the beach with Chavai or Jive. It's called Jive. May I call it Chavai? Yo, the water is chasing in here, bro. This is gonna be a taste test. After not drinking Chavai for 5 years. Was the last time I was in Cape Town. So yeah, it's no straw. I'm just gonna wing it just like this. Okay, this is a grenadilla flavor, né? Forgot to tell you. Not gonna lie, it tastes closer to the original grenadilla to us than what the Kingsley grenadilla tastes. Tastes lekker though. Tastes sweeter. Yo, the waves are waving, bro. The water is coming closer. Damn boy. But yeah, I don't know how to do by the beach. I'm not gonna touch this water. That's crazy, bro. God crazy. But for I sit right here by the water, by the rocks, blooming with Uncle Rocky and my improper fraction. So yeah, I did touch the beach. I can go back to Joburg now for another 5 years, if not longer. But nah. Plus, yeah, fortune does background. Laka. No likes, yeah. See the waves there, bro. Damn, things are looking a bit rough. So man, I'm on top of a rock. I left my father there. Me and him back in the day, yeah, I won't even lie, we used to come and climb on those rocks, why. But he can't now because of the stroke. I feel cocked though, because he can't do this now with me. Plus those rocks are not so even for him even to attempt. And some of these rocks are a bit slippery. It's cock. But you know, he's getting through the process. Hopefully we can do this again one day. But yeah, we are in Camps Bay. I can say I did come to the beach. I'm sure I wonder how much money is in this frame. There's well over R1 billion here worth of cars, houses. I'm sure there's even more than it, like R1 trillion, because here there's big lands here. One day I'm gonna come and buy 4 or 5 houses. So the reason why we came to Camps Bay today is because we couldn't go to Muizenberg because apparently the trains are not operating on, I don't know if they said a Saturday or a Sunday, but yeah, we're in Camps Bay. Come I climb down here. I scared. I very scared. I don't like to fall. But yeah, we're by the ocean. So, fun fact about Camps Bay. They say if you count those mountainous mountains, apparently, yeah, okay, that I can see looks like a face. Apparently, those 12 mountains are the 12 apostles. That, where is it? That one and that one is the only one that looks like faces to me. That's a fun fact that I was told. Never really believed it, but yeah. Oh, there's a cable car. It's gone now. But yeah, sure. This water is actually very cold, but once you get used to it, it's actually refreshing. No lies. So man, another fun fact, they say you can chow seaweed. Huh? What you mean? Seaweed is seaweed. Is there gonna be now indoor seaweed and outdoor seaweed and purple ice? If there was Dangasa seaweed, Panra seaweed, yeah, I would have known. Trust me. Yo, I'm then sinking here, Banakan. Flying to the bikini bottom, bro. Yeah, you can't see my toes. Yo. Now I go to the big ocean. We are by Frank Ocean. Why does this water feel warm now? There I can go and swim in this water, bro. See, all I'm shooting now is a red hot, a rum, coke, ice, and a pan cake. I was gonna bring my pipe with, but yo, for those of you that know, my pipe is big, and I was also gonna carry that bag around because yo, the pipe bag is big. Yo, so this must lekker. We actually supposed to be walking there, you know that, on the pipe. Because on my YouTube, I have video cars, I don't video beaches or oceans. That did not sound right. But yeah, I don't know, the beach is like a, but wait, I have to go and do something. So this is the side of Table Mountain, huh? The side slash the back. There's a tip. Thank you, M3. Yeah, that's the side of Table Mountain. Check. Boring car. That entry sounds lekker though. So yeah, it 9 look like there's no cars, no Ferraris, nothing. But it's not fine, I'll just go and buy one myself. Hey, M4 look lekker. So it's 9 just M4s and M3s today. This 9, I saw Urus or Urus, however you wanna pronounce it, when you were in the taxi, in the cab. But that's about it. We'll see as we walk on. Might we see a Naka or something. So mensen, ik is klaar bij the beach. I'm done. Now we are walking here by this road. where you normally find supercars. I ain't seen no supercars so far. I've seen all the cars that I see in Joburg. Seen a Porsche, seen a G63. It looks like there's a Golf there, MK1 vibes, you understand? But yeah, I've seen that car before, it's not so fancy. I haven't seen a beach and the ocean. Yeah, we'll see what fancy cars there is. Not gonna lie, these houses be firing. This house look very great. These houses. What car is that, Les? There's a Chevy Impala. Hey, one is rims. Can sell us rims. There's a Chevy Impala. Yeah, unfortunately, that thing is most talking, bro. Fortune a fitment on that thing, ik zeg. Dankie fitment, tak. Is that the electric Audi? No, it's not. Hey, don't look like there's any lekker cars here today. So I said I'm coming to Cape Town and I'm gonna act like a tourist. Bro, that is insane. That is so insane, cousin. Broski, that is so crazy. Whoa, bro. That is so insane. I'm just joking. It's just some Owens doing gymnastics. So, Mensa, I just was about to give up. Although I realized and I remembered that in Cape Town, people like Porsches. It's like Porsches is the Golf 1s of Cape Town. Surely they cock cheap here, but for us Owen. Oh, there's a taxi that goes to Outbay. See, we could have taken a taxi to Outbay. But yeah, hey, let us just go. Taxi. Gotta go fast so we can see the Urus that side. You see, we can see a Urus at least. At least we can see something fancy that you don't see in Joburg. Yeah. So we just came back from Bay now. The cock thing about being in Cape Town, it can be hot but it will be windy. What is this place? Where are we now? The Grand Parade. We are by the Grand Parade. Mandela stood there before, so they put a statue of him there now. And then yeah, you have Table Mountain in the background. So yeah, this is me signing out on the second video. Peace. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked a young video. Tomorrow I'm here until 1 o'clock. Don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah, tomorrow's Monday. Tomorrow I go home. So yeah, I'll probably also document that again because I want the content. So yeah, Mensa, so this is now the bus station where you catch buses and taxis. So here we have Golden Arrow in Joburg. Oh yeah, here you have a Golden Arrow. And my city in Joburg, we have Patco and can't I remember what is the name of our taxi? Yes, Ria Fire, yeah. I have in Queens, I think, yeah. Now we're gonna catch a bus.
Electric bus.
Electric bus. Hey. I need the coins. Wait, you also out. Yes, we're gonna catch. Just many is just this forward because they have electric buses here. Wow, so fancy. I'm driving in a Tesla but a bus now from there. We're going to good wood. The wood is good. Sounds like some kind of timber bars. We wait. Go. Sure. Two good wood, please. So yeah, man, sir, that's another day done and dusted. Thanks for watching. Yeah, thanks for watching. It's been your boy Boulder signing off. Did you enjoy your Father's Day? In how many years? 3 years. No.
Yeah.
When was I staying in Joburg?
3 years.
Yeah. 3 years that I was not with my father on Father's Day. 5 years that I wasn't in Cape Town. So yeah, this is the second last day, or second and a half. Tomorrow I'm only here until 12. So yeah, thanks for watching, man. So it's your boy. All I said is signing. Oh wait, before I finish the video, we were driving on the electric train. I mean the electric bus. A Tesla by a bus for a Tesla by a Tesla's bus. So yeah, it's your boy Paula saying for real this time. We're signing off. Thank you, Sas Bogi. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you. Peace. Goodbye. Say the subscribe.
Subscribe.